I'm gonna wait for Greece.
Tonk.
He's dying around me. Also, wait, this is
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Teamwork to commit manslaughter.
Now,
Pow!
what are we supposed to do now?
Crash.
Pow!
Like this.
I don't see any tanks.
Oh, 2 kills. Let's go.
Right, Jensen. We are spawning at the top right. So Jensen's done this to me so many times where he says we're gonna spawn somewhere else, and the last second he says, actually no, let's go to the other place. Jensen.
What are we supposed to do now?
And
Crash.
Pow!
Oh.
And oh, what the hell?
That Panzer really hates you.
Oh no, the Panzer! No, you bullied me.
T28.
I touched him, yes.
Come here, we're gonna squash this. We're
let's
gonna
go.
squash this Panzer 3. Squash the Panzer 3. Come on.
Oh hell. Oh hell. So much.
Squash the Panzer 3.
I'm just gonna win.
Squash
Hey
him.
guys,
Mike!
hey guys, I bought the new Tesla.
Squish
Cybertruck. What do you
it!
think?
Squash him. Turn left. Squash him.
Yeah,
Squash him.
guys, look at what I'm driving.
Yeah!
Yeah!
No, Reese, I built a new Tesla Cybertruck. What do you think?
Oh, let's go with Cybertruck. That's a great Cybertruck.
I'm literally driving a bloody car with a tank turret.
Dude, you think you're driving a car? I'm driving a car in America.
You're driving the Cybertruck.
Yeah, some of my clips will.
I'm drifting too. That doesn't look good.
I was railing that Panzer.
Yo, what the hell?
I'm just gonna back out.
Oh, I did not think about this at all, did I?
I'm being rear-ended. I am being rear-ended.
Oh my god.
T28.
I touched him, yes.
Wait, why are you going after the MiG? I thought you were going after the lag that's on me. Oh shit, I'm dead.
Oh, no, you can do that yourself.
The lag's. Oh, he crashed.
That's a lot of penetration.
Please don't die, David.
I won't.
Yay, die.
Oh,
I'm
the
gonna help
skillet.
you, big
There's
bro.
another
Skillet, David,
right.
don't just pass by the down
There's another one to the
step.
right. I'm gonna try this independent.
Sorry. I just.
I'm gonna try some.
Shut up.
That way,
Oh,
otherwise
that's
I'll die.
awesome.
That's a plane!
He's dead. He's real dead.
Take him down.
Damn, he didn't die.
I just got another kill.
Hold on.
Everything is dying around me. What's that?
Everything except. Probably.
Oh,
I hate Panzers. Get the frick over here.
yeah.
Why did you forget the word squad?
I don't know, I'm freaking.
I've got like a 50 mile. Oh shit.
I'm acoustic, right? No,
What?
I have no idea.
Acoustic?
Yeah, I'm acoustic guitar.
It's Tokyo Drift.
Tokyo. That's the alternate ending. I saw the bombs.
See, they take so long to activate. It's stupid.
Michael! Why do you not have a roof on your tank?
Don't blame me, it's powerful. I one-shot a tank a minute ago.
Yeah, he does one-shot tanks.
Because it's strong. But also, if I ever get hit, I shall explode. It's a fun challenge.
Well, I guess so.
I have armor piercing on. I will wreck any tank.
Armor piercing doesn't have high explosive filler or shrapnel.
This is a high explosive armor piercing.
And it sucks. I mean, my gun sucks too. It has 37 millimeters penetration. 31 actually. Oh my god, you did not just die to an M22.
You're gonna
For me to commence, oh no.
You gotta do a 2-on-1. Okay, cover me, I'm gonna do some bombing. Okay, cover me.
What I'm trying to do.
Brothers and moms is fighting me. The bomb, I'm shooting. Oh shoot, I need to die.
Keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
That one's dead.
Got him. Oh, is that a heavy
me.
tank that I see in front of me?
Get over here!
Is that a heavy tower? What the hell? I'm being.
I know Panzer really hates you.
No, the Panzer! What the fuck? No,
So close.
There we are. Oh, what the heck are you doing?
There's a Lamborghini coming after you.
no, it's not.
Jensen, it is the SD. Oh, I'm not even gonna try and read. It's the STD.
Sorry, what?
Oh, I've got a recess.
T28 buddies!
Yay!
Oh wait, come in,
Yeah.
David, come in.
Yeah,
Let's
let's go.
squash this Panzer 3. Squash the Panzer 3.
Oh hell, so much.
Squash the Panzer 3.
Hey guys, I bought the Nintendo.
Squish it!
What do you think?
Squash him, turn left, squash him.
Yeah, guys, look at what I'm driving.
Yeah! Now,
Pow!
what are we supposed to do now?
Crash.
Pow!
Like this.
I don't see any tanks.
Oh, 2 kills.
Before I die.
I was railing that Panzer.
Yo.
Too.
I
It's the
wasn't
same
bombing you, I was
one.
using an I-15 because I didn't want to. I got
What
bored.
the
I'm
hell?
going after.
Poland boys.
Yes, let's invade Poland, my fellow.
And I'm Russian.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Oh, so it's just like reaction.
Did I go to the right ended? Sorry, no.
I am offensive.
Hi, I'm Tokyo. What the fuck? How do I? Did I just drift this thing?
Michael, why are you in it? Oh, I sniped somebody. Let's go.
I'm about to snipe someone.
There's a horse here. I killed the horse.
Haha. Imagine being a horse and dying to a tank.
I should bring a stone horse.
World War One in a nutshell.
Imagine not totally destroying the tank.
The one who's playing Britain.
Yeah, and I'm dominating.
You're not.
Oh, you're dominating her.
You're doing
I
the
have
you're doing the
4
worst in our
kills.
squad. Okay, yeah, no.
I have
I'm
4 kills.
You got 1 kill.
I do
You
not
have
have
1
1 kill, I have 4.
Ready with tank shells.
I did not select you, I selected you. And he's gone behind the hill now. Oi! Did I say you could shoot me?
No, someone sounds so offensive while at war. Offended, sorry, not offensive.
Great. Do you know what? I'm just gonna go around them and then I'm gonna get them from behind.
I'm stuck on a tree!